Now we are on to volume. Volume is how much stuff can go inside. How much can go inside the shape. So if this is like a box of cereal, how much cereal can I put inside of that box? So we have our formula. Our volume is equal to L, which is our length, W, which is our width, and H, which is our height. This, I don't know if you recognize it, is the same shape as out here. Because remember, surface area, that's how much is on the outside. Surface area is how much is on the outside, like a present. Volume, that's how much stuff can go inside of it. So looking at this prism, what is our length? Our length is 3. Our width is 2. And our height is 6. Our length is 3. Our width is 2. Our height is 6. Again, we get to use Desmos. Yay! So go ahead, pause the video, make sure you've got your Desmos open and come back to me so you can see how you need to type this in your calculator. All right, so again, like we saw with surface area, the first thing you have to do is type in the formula. So our formula is our volume is equal to our length times our width times our height. Length, width, height. It already knows, it's smart. Calculator is smart, it knows when they're side by side that it means to multiply, so we don't even have to type the multiplication signs in there. For this shape, our length was equal to 3, our width was equal to 2, our height was equal to 6, and as we see up top, it gives us our answer as 36 for our prism. So go ahead, make sure that you write that down on your paper and go plug this into your calculator. Pause the video, plug this into the calculator, see if you get the same thing. Josh apologizes for warming up his dinner while I'm making this video. So like we said, our volume here was equal to 36 centimeters cubed. 36 centimeters cubed for the volume. How much stuff goes on the inside? The surface area, the stuff on the outside, that was 72. Different numbers there. Sorry if you can hear my washer and my dryer in the background. So first, for finding the volume of a cylinder, our formula is a little bit different. It's pi r squared times h. Remember pi, that's a special number that we're going to use 3.14 to represent it. So on the calculator, instead of hitting that pi button, hit 3.14. Our r, that's our radius. And again, the radius is halfway across a circle. So here, our radius is 10 because that is halfway across our circle. And then our h is the height of the shape. So here our height is 30. Our height always connects our circles together. Our height always connects the circles together. So again, like we said, our radius is 10. Our height is 30. So now, again, what we need to do is we need to take our formula, plug it into Desmos, tell it what our radius and our height are so that we can figure out what the total volume is, how much stuff is going to go on the inside of our shape. So like we said, our volume is equal to pi, which is 3.14, times our radius squared. In case you forgot, the squared button is right there. Our radius squared times our height. We need to tell it that our radius is equal to 10 Our height is equal to 30. And then we see up top that our volume is going to be 9,420. If you need to, go ahead, pause the video, type this into your calculator, make sure that you get the same answer that I do. But if once you do that, go ahead and flip back to your notes page. Like we saw on the calculator, our volume was equal to 9,420 centimeters cubed. With volume, our units are cubed because this is a three-dimensional shape. I want to see how many tiny little cubes I can fit inside of our cylinder. If you have any questions on any of this, please let us know. Otherwise, go ahead and go on to the practice.